there. So today I have my black book, and that means for me that I'm doing an update on my 2021 decluttering 2021 items over the course of 7 months. Now my lovely friend Lottie put me onto this, and she had discovered another YouTuber that had been doing this and wanted to do it. So I'd contacted Lottie and said, look, I'd really be interested in taking part. I really love this idea. I'm always clearing stuff out, but 2021 items in 7 months, I think it'd be hard to do in 12 months, but in 7 months. However, I have discovered that I actually do throw away a lot of things. I do give away a lot of things as well. And you know, it's encouraging me to do kind of some little clear ups. So I'm just going to go through the items. So last month, what did we use in May? In May, so last month when I started, the first update I used 79 items, and that took me down to 19,042 items outstanding. So I'm just going to talk you through what I've used this month, and then I'll show you the video clips. So I'll just try and keep it kind of short and sweet. So items that I've thrown away, that totaled 36. So in there was 5 out-of-date face masks, quick dry nail polish spray, which I don't like, a Primark nail polish that wasn't keen on the colour, polish remover pads that were dry, an old notebook, a sheet mask that I wasn't sure about, a makeup brush, 8 pairs of light underwear and socks, 2 old toothbrushes, a facial oil, a scalp lotion, 2 old hair baubles, 1 pen, 1 foundation, a coconut toothpaste that I just didn't get along with, and a pack of the tooth interdental brushes that were plastic and I just didn't like. In the given away section, I just put the items that were in the ASOS box that Joe Smith won. So you'll see what's in there. Ciati powder, there was a palette, lip gloss, mascara, Charlotte Tilbury and magic cream. I also did 2 kitchen clear outs, but I did them separately. So in the first one, I didn't add everything in because there was hundreds of old packets of out-of-date like medication and stuff. I didn't add all that in. But there was a packet of giant Orbeez, a lip balm, 1 ancient Germaline, a mini toolbox set that I think came from a cracker, an eraser, a really old ancient nail polish, a bicycle repair kit, 2 heated knee pads, a button. I also added my empties, and I contacted the lady who's doing this challenge on YouTube, and I said, I am doing a product inventory and I wanted to add some of the items from that, and she said that she was considering putting her empties in, but I think she'll do it at the end of the year. So I'm just going to put in my empties as I'm going along. I've done an empties video, so I'm not going to bore you with that. There were 16 items in total. Not a lot this month, but I've got a lot of things that are nearly finished as well. So to the charity shop, there was a gorgeous tea set. Now, that was 21 items in total and 5 pairs of laces. That was quite bizarre. So I ordered a beautiful tea set. It was brand new. However, when it arrived, it could only hold 2 mugs in total, and the cups were like tiny. So I handed that into, we've got a children's Barnado's charity shop that just takes kids stuff, and the woman there was like, are you sure it's for children? I was like, well, it's not an adult's tea set, the cups are miniature. So is the milk and sugar bowl, but it was beautiful. You'll see a picture of it. And then I had ordered some new bits and pieces for the house, so I just did a quick clear out there. So I got rid of my tea, sugar, coffee canisters because I ordered some from Marks and Spencer's that I could actually open. They've got the flip top. 2 glasses, a bottle of Jaeger that was kind of had the dregs in it, a magnetic memo board, and 3 plastic glasses and 1 ancient mug. And my husband done a clear out of the garage, and I was never so keen to get in and involved actually. I took a picture, but I didn't get everything. I wanted to film it and everything, but we just didn't have time. So in total there was about 20 items. So there was various bits of wood and garden tools and a big bucket of cement, and there was some other bits and pieces that went in there. So I just took a picture that I will add in. So that was about 28 items. So overall this month I have used 132 items. Well, I've decluttered them from the house. So that takes the new total of items that I need to declutter to 1,810. So it's out, you know, I don't know if it is doable, but it's really making me think about things that I no longer need and anything that I can give away or pass to the charity shop. I've got a massive video coming up for when I go up to Stephen to see Stephen, because I have got loads of stuff for him. I've got like mop and bucket set that's brand new, didn't work for me. It was the spinner one, just done my back in. I've got mugs, I've got underwear, I've got clothes, I've got coats, I've got shoes, I've got a suit. So all the stuff that he kind of left behind that'll be taken up once he gets his new flat, and there'll also be things like shampoo, you know, other bits and pieces. So that's going to be quite a big, that's hopefully going to take a bit off what I need to use up. So anyway, the videos next are going to show you what I've just been blathering about, and I hope you enjoy this. I'm really enjoying kind of putting things in my black notebook, and I'll catch up with you soon, guys. Bye. You might remember me saying during the first decluttering video that I wasn't sure if I was going to add my empties, and that I might just add the products that were in my project inventory videos. However, I contacted the lady who inspired Lottie to take on this challenge, and she had said that she would be adding her empties quarterly. Now, because I have quite a lot of empties usually, I thought I would do them as we go along, so on a monthly basis. And there's 16 items that are going in this month. 3 of those are shower gels. There's a shampoo, a couple of hair products, a cleanser, deodorant, moisturisers, and bits and pieces like that. I've done an empties video, so I won't spend too long on that. So there's 16 items that have been decluttered from the house. So these are the items that are being thrown away that I've collected over the month. So I've got a pair of jeans, the zip's broken on it. It's been broken for ages, and I just thought, stop wearing them, throw them out. A sheet mask that I'm not really too sure of. A notepad that was nearly finished, some old socks, an oil, just the Bye Bye supercharged serum, just can't get with the oil at all. A coconut toothpaste that I tried and just didn't get on with. 5 masks that were well within the kind of 6 month, they were probably closer to 2 years that they had been opened. A couple of old toothbrushes, a pencil, a pen, and one of these makeup brushes that comes with some of the makeup sets you get. The plastic interdental brushes from Primark, absolutely hopeless. 2 old hair scrunchies, a foundation that's just too pale, the Elegant Touch Quick Dry, which just don't like the smell and the mess. These nail polish wipes, just too fine. The Elvive scalp lotion, don't really find it helped me much. And the Primer nail polish, which I just wasn't keen on the smell. So that is the items that I've collected over the month that will be thrown out in the bin. I've also just done a bit of a kitchen clear out, so I'm going to add those as well, but I'll do a separate little clip for those. So this is some of the things that I cleared out from the kitchen cupboard. I didn't include everything because there was lots of packets of out of date drugs. However, there's one single button. I don't even think I've got the top for that anymore. An old eraser, a lemon lip balm that just makes my lips feel horrible, some wind settlers that have been kicking around for God knows how many years, a Leighton Denny polish that I find in the back of the cupboard, an out-of-date Germaline, 2 out-of-date Heat knee pads, some giant Orbeez. I think I got this little set from a Christmas cracker, and the bicycle repair kit. So yep, trying to make a good job, kind of trying to clear out slowly but surely, getting there. So I've done some more kind of cleaning out in the kitchen. So there's 3 canisters that were for tea, coffee, sugar, 3 plastic cups, 2 glasses, 1 mug, a fridge memo magnet thing, and kind of about a quarter bottle of Jägermeister. So that'll all be getting cleared out. So these are items that I'm giving away this month. It was to the winner of my ASOS box. There's a Ciate powder, a Morphe palette, mascara, Charlotte Tilbury magic cream, and a lip gloss. So this is a gorgeous little tea set that I ordered from eBay, and nowhere did it actually tell me that it wasn't a child size set, but it was kind of miniature. The teapot holds about 2 mugs of tea, and actually doesn't have enough to fill the 6 little cups that come with it. It is so cute. So I'm either going to pop this to the charity shop or see if my sister wants it for Freya, who's having a girly birthday party in the house, and she wants an afternoon tea, and I thought this would be perfect for like a fake afternoon, we could put milkshake or whatever in it, but I thought that might be quite cute. If she doesn't want it, I'll just drop it straight off to the Bernardo's children's charity shop that we've got over here in Dalgety Bay. And randomly, 5 sets of black laces. I think that comes from when the boys were wee in their school shoes, so yeah, they were kicking about the cupboard, so I'll pop those into the charity shop as well.